Daniel Chapo was sworn in as the fifth president of Mozambique during a public ceremony today in central Maputo, the capital, in a sparsely attended ceremony under a dark cloud of political tension and uncertainty. Sindapinda mashoko ataona kuti aiwa vanhu vachi kumira pamusoro pechiitiko chinoitika kumozambique vachiona Daniel Chapo kunyange zvazvo chiwa tichizikanwa kuti akaluza maelections anouya achiitwa inauguration. Sindapinda mashoko anoda nyika pana avo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pana the news of Sombanura GT. This extends Frelimo rule since independence from Portugal in 1975 to 50 years, half a century. Swearing in Chapo, 47, UCR Rebellion, President of the Constitution Council, said, in accordance with Article 149, Paragraph 1 of the Constitution of the Republic, I hereby declare His Excellency Daniel Chapo inaugurated as President of the Republic of Mozambique. The inauguration was held at Independence Square and was attended by prominent figures, including former presidents Joaquim Chissano, Armando Guebuza, and outgoing head of state Filipe Nyusi. Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa, a close ally to Chapo, and the ruling Frelimo was conspicuous by their absence. Mnangagwa, who is also the Southern African Development Community SADC chairperson, was represented by Defense Minister Opamchinguri Kashiri, Zimbabwe's ambassador to Mozambique, Victor Matimadanda, and the Chief Fuchun Charumbira, President of the Pan-African Parliament. Most SADC heads of states and government were not there. Mnangagwa rushed with indecent haste to congratulate Chapo before official results were even announced, hence compromising himself to play a mediate role. After an incarcerated dispute, the Constitution Council came up with a revised figures and said Chapo won by 65%, while the main opposition leader Venancio Mondlane got 24%. Domashoko toona developments anobuda aiwa ariko Mozambique tiona kuti Southern African leaders mazhinji haana kuatenda vanyatsokuona kuti aiwa this SADC thing is useless. Tudze makunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi mudai comment section medu. Musaona subscribe or like, channel on the bell icon.